Hello and welcome to another update video about ADA. We're currently holding support. Just a really quick update. Again, we're currently holding the support area, the trend reversal area. It can, these coins can now rally really at any point. We are really, for many of these coins, including ADA, here at a make or break point. If the bulls can take it from here, we're gonna see the FOMO wave start very, very shortly. And I have really been tempering my language in the last few days because I am quite excited about this market at the moment. But I also need to make sure that, people don't, just ape in or something without thinking about it just because I'm excited, which doesn't make any sense really. So, we don't want to get emotional about this market. So, but what everybody needs to understand really is that this is a setup across the market. ADA shows the same setup where it's the best setup we've had for, well, probably since June 22. Yeah, so this is this could see maybe even better. Yeah, so this could really set us up for a significant rally going forward. Now, of course, do I know that support levels are holding? I don't know. Do I know that the bulls can take it? I don't know. That's why we risk manage, right? And that's so important. Yeah, risk management is still important. It's important not to be over leveraged still. It's important to just understand how much exposure one wants to have in this market, then to measure the risk down to the relevant support areas, and then be in or out, right? But what I can tell you is that if you delay that question too often or for too long, you risk being out of this market when a third wave rally is starting. Okay, now I'm not telling you to go all in or whatever, absolutely not, would be the worst thing to do, but you need to make the decision for yourself if you want to be in this market and ride a potential third wave or not. And that applies to the entire market. I will probably talk about that in the next Bitcoin video as well. But as long as these support levels are holding, I can't make it really clearer. We're talking about 50 cents plus probably in the next few months, right? Condition here is that the 35-cent level is holding, but reward to risk is absolutely amazing across the market at the moment. We're not really any wiser in terms of, is this the direct escalation count here in the orange count that we are already in a 1-2 set. Sorry, that we completed a 1-2 setup here and we're already in that orange third wave, and then we would probably get next week into a third rally. If that's the case, we will know it very quickly because then price should not drop below 37.8 cents and should really in the next rally, let's take a look, take us to one second. It should take us to at least 46 cents in the next, to the next step. It already made some good movements here, towards the end of the week, ADA. And if this is not the orange count, then we're just due for a little bit of a deeper retracement in white wave 2. But bear in mind, the market is not supposed to do anything. It can, in an uptrend, you see these shallow corrections. That's why I've got this 1-2 set up in a very bullish market. You see these shallow wave 2s. So we've had that here. That's why normally I wouldn't label it as a wave 2 because it's so shallow. But I see it here across the market that we start to see shallow wave 2s, especially Bitcoin. Now we see it here on ADA. And it's just a sort of sign that we could get to that third wave rally, right? But again, the 35-cent level needs to hold. If that doesn't hold, it will start to look very, very strange. Then I still have the 31.3 cent level left. So also here we start to get this sort of layered cake of supports, yeah, which we have on the Bitcoin chart and the Ethereum chart. But yeah, no change really, just a quick update here. Levels are still relevant. We can't really say for sure, is it the direct 1-2 setup here or the deeper wave 2? We will only really know when we break above 41 cents because then we are more certainly in a breakout already. But note that we've already hit the support area today. So from here, be ready. Yeah, it will be interesting. Again, the bulls still need to show up and do it. That's the only thing that's still missing. They just need to do it. But when they do it, then it's often too late to react. Okay, so in the market, these can rally out of the blue. You know how it is, right? When this stuff gets going, like it did here back in January, you will only be able to react afterwards, and then it's sometimes too late. But okay, that's my update about ADA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.